Hola people, welcome back to my channel, Life Science Tastic. Till now I was talking about the subjects under life sciences and courses under life sciences in India. But I feel it's time to upgrade and move ahead and talk about the real experiences. I actually want to give you all a reality check. So here I present a segment or a new series for you all, that is Taste the Experience of, on my channel, especially for those who want to know how life is after getting a degree in life science. So in this segment, I'll be asking questions to people currently working in this industry, and they'll be sharing their experience with us. Isn't that interesting? So get ready to listen to the experiences people have working in this industry or field. Now, let's begin with our today's introduction. Hola people, welcome back to my channel, Life Science Tastic, and to the first episode of Taste the Experience of Pharma Industry. Today I'll be asking questions to a dear friend of mine and a batchmate and a sweetest guy who has a 4-year experience in pharma industry. 4 years of experience, not a joke, right? So let's begin with the question series. Hey Suraj, can you please introduce yourself to all of us?
Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Rajimure. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in biotechnology from KTJ College, Nasik. I am native of Nasik, basically. Talking about my work experience, overall, I have 4 years of work experience, out of which currently I am working with Reliance Life Sciences from December 2021 as an executive in mammalian cell culture section, upstream department. And before Reliance Life Sciences, I work in Serum Institute of India, which is in Pune. I work over there for 2 years, 8 months. And before Serum Institute of India, I have worked in Dadar Cancer Genetics Limited, Nasik, for 6 months as an intern. So this was all about me.
Oh my god, 4 years of experience, and that too from Serum Institute, Reliance Life Science and Data Cancer Genetics. That's huge, isn't it? That reminds me of another question. Can you please share your experience working in pharma industry?
Okay. My work experience in pharma industry is around now 4+ years, and overall my experience was very good. Because we are the frontline workers. We have produced the vaccine, the production of tablets, and all these sections included in the life sciences. So the experience of mine in these industries is good. And there are the few areas I like to elaborate, currently I am in upstream section. So basically there is a fermentation which is area in biotechnology companies. So there are two departments over there. First is microbial cell culture and second is mammalian cell culture. And both department have individual upstream department and downstream department. So these are the areas. If you want to learn more about fermenter, then you should go for the upstream section. And if you have interest in chromatography techniques overall, ion exchange chromatography is there, then lots of chromatography. So I don't know lots of about downstream processing because my overall experience is about upstream section. So if you want to know more about upstream section, then ping me in the comment section. I will definitely help to answer your all questions. Okay.
Oh, that seems interesting, Suraj. Your work experience is really interesting, I must say. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Plus, thank you for being so supportive to all the students out there. So I request all the students, if you have any kind of doubts in pharma industry, do comment down below. He is open to all the questions.
I still remember when I pass out from my post-graduation in MSc Biotechnology, I create account on LinkedIn naukri.com for job hunting purposes. And my first job I got from LinkedIn, which is in data cancer genetics. So for that purpose, what should you do? You have to create your resume very good. LinkedIn also is a good platform to search the jobs. So for that purposes, you have to connect with the different companies HRs, which is related to your field. If your field is related to pharmaceutical, then you have to connect with the pharmaceutical HRs. If your field is related to biopharmaceutical, then you have to connect with the biopharmaceutical HR. So if you build your connection strong, then it will be definitely help for your job search.
Oh, yes, I totally agree with you, Suraj. A proper resume or CV helps to get a good job in this industry. And thank you for sharing search engines like LinkedIn, because a good and a proper LinkedIn profile plus good connections helps a lot. Now, I have a simple question yet important one to you. That is, what are your qualification applications? Because you have done your degree in biotechnology. So, what's the application of biotechnology in pharma industry? And please share your job profile with us.
Right now, I am working in Reliance Life Sciences as an executive in upstream section and in mammalian cell culture department. So I basically work on fermenters. For that purposes, I work on 6 products till now. Erythropoietin, which is product. Then there are the biosimilars products like trastuzumab, infliximab, golimumab, bevacizumab. These are the biosimilar products which I have handled in Reliance Life Sciences. And in Serum Institute of India, I have handled the products like erythropoietin, Chadox, COVID, which is my last project.
All right. Now, can you please share job opportunities, current job opportunities in pharma industry?
The current opportunities in pharma industries like clinical research associate, bioanalytical science. Then there is a quality control department, quality assurance department. If you are interested in documentation, then you should go into quality assurance. Then you have you good skills in HPLC, GC. Then you should go for the quality control. And if you have to love to work in bioreactors related, you have to go in production department. And if you love chromatography technique, which is also comes in the production section. So these are the some fields which I have known. And there are also, if you want to do work from home, so for that purpose there are the companies like IQA, Indigen. So for that purposes, project associate is post was there, clinical research associate post was there. So yes, these are the some post.
I personally love documentation work, but some of you might find it boring. No issues, you have a lot of options. The question coming to my mind right now is like, what are the demand, or what is the demand or scope for students like us, Suraj? And don't forget to mention any other countries with good scope in this field.
Post-COVID life sciences demand is very high. So there are some countries which I have known very well for you have a good career in biotechnology like USA, then Germany, then Europe. So for that purpose, there are the companies like Novartis. Novartis is there, then Cognizant is there. So there are the positions like scientists, senior scientists. They have do PhD in the biotechnology, then your demand will be more in these countries, in such countries.
I totally agree with you, Suraj, that post-COVID scenario has changed. Actually, they changed the perspective, and people got to know about the importance, or they got to know the power of life science. Plus, hunting jobs outside India, that's a very, very good option. So you can really opt for that, guys. And PhD करना है तो yes, सोने पे सुहागा. वैसे Suraj, what if students like change their mind if they're working in pharma industry and they want to change their field or job to some other industry? What are your thoughts on that?
Okay, if you want to change the job from pharma, then as I said earlier, you go in clinical research associate. For that purposes, pharmacovigilance department is there. Then project associate is there. So you have to do MBA for that. MBA in biotechnology. For that purposes, Pune University MBA college is there. So there is an exam, ATMA, Atma exam is there. So I don't know detail, but if you want to change the field, then first you have to think in which field you want to go. So after decide, because there are too many fields in pharma industry, and if you not choose properly, then in future it will be hamper your career also. So choose your career goal properly and choose your field properly.
Okay, Suraj, I totally get you that you don't have too many points to say on this, but can you please share a salary range for a fresher in pharma company?
The salary range in pharma industry is starting from 3 lakhs, which is a maximum CTC provided by the pharma companies. And if you are educated in MBA in biotechnology, then the maximum salary range is from 6 LPA to 7 LPA.
Oh, thank you for sharing that with us, buddy. Now, actually, according to you, what are the pros and cons working in pharma industry?
The pros about pharma industry is we are working on the life-saving products and vaccines, so there is 100% job security is there. Then your salary also growth is better. And cons, as I said, in somehow your work-life balance is affected. So yes.
Thank you so much for answering that so clearly about work life and personal life balance. I personally would suggest everyone to, not only the pharma industry people, but also students or people working in this industry, in the life science industry, to balance out your work as well as your personal life. That will help you a lot. And now I guess let's end the question session. And Suraj, so do you have any message for all the students out there?
So guys, whatever you choose your field, production, then quality control, quality assurance, give your 100% and make sure you not will be the it will be not affect your work-life balance, because your personal health also important and your family also important. So be at any situations, make sure you have to do make decision yourself and go with the flow. And all the best of your career. And don't subscribe to Srushti channel. She is doing very great job, and I wish her a best of luck. She's my classmate, so I known her very well from 7 years, and she's very hardworking. So keep supporting her, and Srushti, all the best, and keep shining, and keep your parents proud. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Oh wow, a big thank you, Suraj, for your valuable time and experience and such nice words for me. I just hope this session took you a bit closer to the reality, and I also hope I covered maximum questions you all might have. And if you have any other questions, so do comment down below or DM me on my Instagram profile. Plus, I request you all to follow my Instagram to, for regular job updates in this life science field. So I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And I also hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys. Students.